Long-distance relationship tips and advice. Number 51. Be mindful of tone. Texts can be misinterpreted, so choose your words carefully. Number 52. Have regular check-ins. Assess how the relationship is going and address any issues. Number 53. Send postcards. Simple, yet a tangible reminder of your love. Number 54. Understand time zone differences. Be mindful when scheduling calls. Number 55. Stay spontaneous. Do something unexpected to keep things exciting. Number 56. Create a relationship playlist. Curate songs that mean something to both of you. Number 57. Support each other's independence. Encourage each other to pursue individual interests. Number 58. Be transparent about finances. Discuss any concerns about the costs of visiting each other. Number 59. Focus on quality communication. It's not about how often you talk, but how meaningful the conversation is. Number 60. Set a date for closing the distance. Have a timeline for when you'll be together permanently. Number 61. Be each other's confidant. Share your fears, dreams, and secrets. Number 62. Trust your gut. If something feels off, talk about it. Number 63. Invest in good technology. A good internet connection and gadgets make communication smoother. Number 64. Stay connected through social media. Tag each other in posts or share stories. Number 65. Explore each other's interests. Take an interest in your partner's hobbies. Number 66. Send voice messages. Hearing each other's voice can be very comforting. Number 67. Don't compare your relationship. Every relationship is unique. Focus on what works for you. Number 68. Send surprise gifts. A small gift can brighten your partner's day. Number 69. Be honest about your needs. Openly discuss what you need to feel loved and supported. Number 70. Talk about boundaries regularly. As things change, revisit your boundaries. Number 71. Support each other's growth. Encourage each other to grow personally and professionally. Number 72. Visit new places together. When you visit, explore new places instead of the usual spots. Number 73. Have a shared online space. Use a shared document or app to keep memories or plan together. Number 74. Express physical affection virtually. Send virtual hugs or kisses via text or emojis. Number 75. Celebrate holidays together. Even if you're apart, celebrate special occasions together virtually. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.